Okay, welcome to our video. We've decided that quite some time ago I bought this generator, and it's quite a long time, probably 10 years or something, maybe more, and we're not sure if it works. It did run, it did work, but it's put all that time. So Rowan and I have decided that we're going to get it going, see what happens. We've got a few jobs that need doing that we know of. The fuel valve I lent to somebody because to get them out of the fix, so we've got a new fuel valve to fix on. This fuel line is all perished and broken. We need to replace that, and we need to check the spark plug and put some fuel in it and check the oil, and we'll see if it runs, and then we'll see if it generates electricity. Okay, so we removed the air cleaner to get to the back of the carburetor. We've taken off the rotten old hose, broken hose, and we've got this nice new stuff on here to go from the carburetor up to the fuel valve. So we're going to fit that now. So the replacement pipe, fuel pipe we had was too small actually, so we managed to trim the ends off the original. We've got the original pipe in there, a little bit short, but we'll see about replacing that later. Air filter back on. Now I think it's time to put some fuel in, and we've got the new valve in, some fuel in. We'll just check the oil and see if it will start. Okay, so all right.
Yeah, let's stop.
Yeah. There was actually no oil in the engine at all, so it's a good job we didn't start it without checking it and topping it up. Fuel on. Choke on. Engine switch on. Here goes, big try. Hey! Take the choke off, it lets it warm, see if it stays running. Hey! So right, the question is, does it make electricity? So we'll select 230, turn the breaker on. Yes! Generating.